Have you ever wondered why some projects run smoothly while others completely collapse? The secret often lies in mastering the 5 steps of the management process: planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. Without this core system, teams quickly lose direction and productivity plummets. Planning lays the foundation by setting clear objectives and mapping out your course of action to prevent wasted effort. Next, organizing builds the necessary structure, assigning tasks and allocating resources so your team can work without friction. But having a plan and structure means nothing without the right people, which is where staffing comes in to recruit and develop talent effectively. Once your team is in place, leading steps in to motivate, communicate, and remove daily obstacles. Finally, controlling acts as your system's thermostat, monitoring performance through real-time metrics so you can pivot before small issues turn into major disasters. By treating these 5 steps as a continuous, dynamic loop rather than a rigid checklist, you can build a resilient workflow that drives consistent business results.